This is my son's 2010 Infiniti. This is a G37, very good car. But I'm gonna show you how easy it is to change out this master window switch, door switch. It's right there on the door handle. It's very simple to do. If you got one that stopped working or a button or something broke, you can order this and it'll be here the next day. So I ordered this and it got here the next day. But this is what the switch looked like. So we're gonna go to his car and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to change this out. It got instructions, but you could throw those away. You don't need those instructions. But here we go. We're gonna go ahead and go to his car right here. And only thing you need is a screwdriver and some kind of wedge, a plastic wedge to pop this loose. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is. So this is the little button that broke. I tried to fix it, but I couldn't. So it's just easier just to buy a whole switch. So first thing what you want to do is get that plastic wedge and you pull it in there and push up and it'll pop right out. Don't worry about breaking anything. It'll pop right out. And then what you want to do is take the screwdriver and you push in and turn. It'll pop right up. You see how I did that? We're going to do it here on this other one. It's the same way. Push in. You see right there, you're going to take that screwdriver and you're going to push in and turn. It'll pop up. It's that simple. And then what you want to do, this is the hardest part right here, just kind of wedge that back and pull that in and then try to go on the other side and pull it out. If you had two people, you could do it at the same time. So you just pull that up and slide it forward a little bit. You see how I pull that? And then go on the other side and do the same thing. It's 4 little clips that it pops into. So you see how I'm putting it there and I'm sliding it forward so it won't slide back in, and then go reach on the other side and do the same thing. It'll pop right out. And that's it. You take that switch, throw it out the way, grab your new switch, and it's only one way it could go in. So it goes in right there. You'll hear it pop into place. And once it pops into place, just go ahead and put your connectors on. And you can't get the connectors crossed up because they're 2 different sizes. So you just clip it in there until you hear it click, and then pull on it, make sure it's in there really good. Put the other one on. Boom, that's it. And just put it back on like you took it off, and you'll hear it pop into place. Now I'm gonna test to make sure all the buttons work. Passenger side, driver side, the back, make sure all those work. And also my locks, make sure that it locks. And also the protection lock, that little one that you could click so that the passengers can't let the windows up and down. So everything works great. So that's how easy it is to change that switch. It don't take no time at all. It shouldn't take no more than 5 to 10 minutes at the most.